T2 bench supply and multimeter. There's my name already. Done. So now I have my breadboard with the resistors. There's sorry. Okay, that's probably visible like here. So I have a orange black in the first resistor, which is equal to 3 and 0. So 0, that's a third digit, will be multiplied 10 to the power of 0, so that'll be just 33 ohms. In the second resistor I have a green, blue and a black again, so that'll be equal to 56 ohms. And in the third one I have a brown, black and black, so that'll be equal to 10 ohms. So now that's done. Now I just need to measure the resistance of the three different values of resistors using the lab multimeter. So yeah, we're gonna move to my DC supply with the banana wires. Gonna plug the blue wire to the first resistor, my first 10 ohms resistor, and we're gonna measure the resistance. Yeah, just here we hit the bottom. Yeah, that's 10.04, which is close to our expected resistance. Then I have my second resistor. I gotta move the wire to my second resistor, and yeah, it shows 56.16, so which is really close to our expected resistance. And now I need to move my wire to the third one, and it shows me at 32.90. Yeah, that's really good. Done. So just I need to draw a schematic circuit. So I have a DC supply, first resistor, second resistor, and the third one. Yeah, actually 33, 56 ohms, and this one, that's a 10 ohms resistor. And yeah, I finished the circuit. Oh yeah, my voltage will be 7 volts. Done. Now I just need to calculate the current what will flow through the resistors if they were connected in series using the Ohm's law. So I need my R total. I just need to add the values of my 3 resistors together, so they'll be equal to 98 ohms. Yeah. So with the R total I can find my current of flowing. There'll be I equal to 7 over 98, and they'll be equal to 0.0714 amps. So yeah, that's done. Gonna move to the next question. The next question was we need to calculate the expected voltage across each resistor. So using the Ohm's law again, the first resistor, that'll be our current with the resistance, so that'll be equal to 0.0714 multiply by 33. And yeah, just need to double check with my calculator, because before I calculate, my calculation was wrong. I put the 32 ohms instead of 33, so I'm gonna calculate this again. So set my calculator, 0.0714 multiply by 33, and that'll be 2.362 volts. So now we gonna move for our second resistance, which is 56 ohms, and that's equal to 3.9984 volts. And the third will be equal for 0.714 volts. And I can make a quick check. If I add all the voltages together, that will be equal to the 7 volt of my DC supply. Now just gonna demonstrate coarse and fine-tune voltage control. Just switch it on and make this about 7, like here. And now just a little bit more, and gonna set this by the fine tune. Yep, here. Okay, so that's done. We're gonna move to the next question. I need to demonstrate how to set the maximum current, aka current limit, on a DC supply. So my current is 0.0714, so I'm gonna set my current about 0.15 amps, so just like here. Yep, close enough, and that's done. Connect the DC supply across the circuit with the 3 resistors in series. Okay, so I just need to plug the other banana wires. Put this black wire here and the other term here. So that's done. And yeah, I need to hit the bottom, so it shows me the current was flowing through my resistors in my circuit. So it was close enough. Yep, done. Measure the voltage, so I just need my supplies again, here and here, across my first resistor, and need to hit the bottom over there. That's kind of wrong. Shouldn't be like that. Maybe I just need to change the that's strange. Should be close to my last value of the voltages, so that should be close to 0.714 714. Oh Jesus, I didn't put the DC supply. Sorry. Yeah, just 1 second. And yeah, so I see the voltage across the first resistor, which is close enough. So yep, then I gotta move my wires to the second resistor, which was at 56 ohms. So, and this value close enough again. Then I move the wire to my last resistor, was 2.3, and now that's close. So the next question, I just need to show the effect of setting the current limit to the half the expected current will. So I just gonna drop my current a little bit down, and if I hit this bottom, so I'll see the voltage drops as well. So yep, that's done. And checklist completed.